Now, if you're selling anything, products, services, digital downloads, Squarespace has a full e-commerce system built in. Let's add a product to see how it works. Go to your store page, then click Add Product, and choose a product type. It can be physical, digital, service, gift card, and more. I'll choose physical product since I'm selling some loose leaf tea. Here you can fill in the product name, description, price, and more. For the description, you could even use the built-in AI writer. Click the AI icon, give it a prompt, and it'll generate a product description for you. Scrolling down, product images must be uploaded. There's no stock option for products. Multiple images can be added at once, and then you can drag to reorder them. One really cool feature is that you can click to generate product details automatically based on your images. I'll click Generate, add a short description of the product, then click Generate. It automatically generates a name, description, tags, suggested price, and even SEO metadata, all from the photos. It's not always perfect, but it's a huge time saver as a starting point, especially if you're adding a lot of products. If you're running a sale, you can toggle the on sale switch, set a sale price, and then your product page will display the strike-through price as well as the sale price. You can manage stock here as well by toggling off unlimited stock and then setting how many you have. Once you've gotten your product set up, next you'll want to configure shipping and taxes. To do this, first you'll want to save, hover over save, and then either publish right away, save as hidden, or schedule to publish. I'll publish it right now. And you can see our new product show up right away. Okay, to configure shipping and taxes, click Pages on the upper left to exit this section, then Website, and then scroll to the bottom and click Settings. Then from the left side menu, select Selling, and here's where you can set up your payment gateway, taxes, shipping, and even pickup and local delivery options. We won't go deep into these settings today, but you should set these up before your site goes live. To manage incoming orders and create discount codes, exit out of here, go to Products and Services on the left side, and then Orders. This is where your orders will come in, and you can manage discounts right below that on the left side with the Discounts tab. You can also quickly access your products by clicking Products, and just like with placeholder blog posts, I highly recommend removing placeholder products. Simply check the box next to each one, and then click Delete in the bottom right. Great, now we have our first product live on our store.